Once in a while, it's good to put aside meat proteins and create some amazing and delicious vegan-friendly meals, which are budget-friendly, loaded with lots of nutrients, and so mouth-watering. So today I'll be showing you how to make vegetable Manchurian, which is a perfect main dish which you can serve over some rice, spaghetti, and it's going to be amazing. You'll need lots of vegetables for this recipe because you're going to be making vegetable Manchurian. So I'm going to start off by grating my carrots. As you're grating your carrots, be careful because you don't want to nick your fingers because the grater is sharp. Transfer to my bowl. Then next I'm going to chop up an onion. Transfer to my bowl as well. Then I'm going to chop up a cabbage. I'm using a quarter cabbage for this recipe. So I'm going to thinly slice my cabbage. Then I'm going to dice my cabbage so that it can be easier to work with. And once done, you're going to transfer into your bowl. Next, you're going to chop up some red and green capsicum. Make sure the red and green capsicum are finely diced. When you're done chopping up all your vegetables, you're going to place a deep frying pan over medium-high flame and add in cooking oil. And into my bowl, I'm going to be adding in the seasoning as my cooking oil is getting hot. So I'm going to add in some black pepper and salt. One tablespoon of all-purpose flour. Half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Then I'm going to go in with my hands and massage in all the seasoning into the veggies. And once all the ingredients are fully combined, your veggies are going to be looking like this. So you're going to scoop out a tablespoon of the veggies and form a ball. Just like this, and then you're going to place on a plate and finish up making the rest. It's going to be a little bit messy, so when molding the veggies, make sure to compress all the veggies so that you can have some compact veggie balls. I'm done rolling my veggies into balls. So the next step is to fry the vegetables in our hot cooking oil. So I'm going to insert a skewer into the cooking oil once I notice bubbling. The oil is ready to fry my vegetables. Carefully place in your vegetables into the cooking oil and avoid overcrowding, because you want the vegetables to be crispy on the outside, not soggy. So I'm going to be frying in batches, and using a skewer I'm going to flip my vegetables, and once I notice a very nice golden brown color, my vegetables are ready. After 2 minutes, my vegetables are ready and they have a perfect golden brown color. Just check this out. The veggies look lovely. Transfer to a plate lined with kitchen paper towel to drain off the excess oil, and then I'm going to be adding in my next round. After 2 minutes, this is how my vegetables are looking like, and they look so gorgeous. So I'm going to transfer to my plate with the rest. Now the next step is to cook my delicious vegetables. So I'm going to place another pan over medium flame and add in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Spread the oil in the pan. The kitchen is smelling so good from frying my vegetables, and they look so gorgeous because they have a very nice golden brown color. So what we're going to be doing now is making a gravy to coat our delicious veggie balls. So into my pan, I'm going to add in 1 medium onion. And then I'm going to saute for around a minute until the onions have a nice light golden brown color. As my onions are starting to brown, I'm going to add in 4 cloves of garlic, which are crushed together with a thumb-sized ginger. Garlic and ginger is very aromatic, so the kitchen is going to be smelling so good. So when everything is ready, I'm going to be adding in my tomatoes. This is 2 large tomatoes together with tomato paste. Stir in the tomatoes and tomato paste, and then I'm going to be adding in some seasoning. So I have some chili powder, salt, paprika, and 2 seasoning cubes. Crush in the seasoning cubes, a bit of salt, stir in the seasoning, and if you notice that your pan is drying out, you can add in a splash of water so that the tomatoes can cook down. This is after 2 minutes of slowly cooking my tomatoes, and I'm going to use the back of my spatula and smash up my tomatoes. So when my tomatoes are ready, I'm going to add in my vegetables into the delicious tomato sauce. So carefully, I'm going to place in all the vegetables in the pan. And once done, I'm going to use my spatula and stir in. And once all the vegetables are coated with the sauce, I'm going to add in half a teaspoon of sugar. This is going to stabilize the acidity of the tomatoes and tomato paste. Then I'm going to stir in the sugar. As my vegetables are cooking in the sauce, I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of water. Stir in the cornstarch until fully combined with the water, and then you're going to keep aside. I have some coriander over here and capsicum. This is red and green capsicum. Check on my vegetables and they're soaking in all the goodness. Cook everything for around 3 minutes, and once the sauce has reduced halfway, you're going to add in your cornstarch slurry. Add in your capsicum, stir in, and immediately you add in your cornstarch into the pan. The sauce is going to thicken and look so glossy and delicious. I've added my capsicum at this point because I love mine crunchy. So I'm going to cook for a minute so that the cornstarch can thicken up and cook and coat all the lovely and gorgeous vegetables. When your vegetable Manchurian is ready, you're going to finish up with some coriander, which is going to add in color and also flavor. Stir in the coriander, and then you're going to put out the flames, and this looks so delish. So vegetable Manchurian is a perfect main dish if you're looking forward to eat some vegetarian dish, and it's filling, it's loaded with lots of nutrients because we've added in vegetables, and it's just perfect. So hope you'll be giving this recipe a try and it will be totally worth it.